please come in. Oh, Amanda.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How is everything?
Oh, everything is fine, just fine.
How about my friend and your daughter?
Oh, they're doing great.
Okay, I was passing by, so I decided to come and say hi to you.
Oh my goodness. That is very thoughtful of you.
It's okay.
Thanks for pulling over.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in.
Hello.
Maureen.
Good day, Mr. Chike.
Good day. How you doing?
Fine. I can see you have a guest. You know what? I will just wait outside and when you're done.
Oh, you don't have to. Okay, come on. What's it?
No, it's fine. I'll just wait at the reception because I have something really important to discuss with you. So when you're done, okay, just take your time. Take your time.
Maureen,
Yes.
you don't need to go and wait at the reception. Yeah, sir, I'm actually on my way out. Yeah, I'm done here. So you can come in and sit.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Great.
Sir, please, when you get home, do say me well to your wife and daughter.
Sure, man.
Have a blessed day, sir.
You too. Thanks
Take
for coming.
care.
Okay, you too.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Excuse me.
Okay.
What is she doing here? I don't get it. What is going on? I always know what I'm thinking. Hey, Amanda.
Here we are.
Hi.
You're welcome to my office, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A drink?
Hmm?
Oh, come on. You shouldn't, why?
Say, there's no way you pull over my office without having a drink, okay? So please, manage this.
You're so sweet. I never knew.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to ask, how about we, go on a date? Like, have lunch? Go have lunch. I mean, it's 1:30. You should be hungry, I believe.
Lunch? Oh well, you're right. I haven't had lunch though. But I was thinking of going home to have one before you came in.
Going home to have lunch? Oh, come on. You mean you do this all the time? Like you go back and forth from your office to your house just to have lunch? Why? No, come on, that's not healthy. Why would you be taking such risk when you can easily go out with me and eat whatever you want?
Oh, a man gotta do what a man gotta do. I can't compromise any other meal for my wife's food. That's why I go home to have lunch.
But at this point, you're gonna compromise, baby boy. Yeah, you have to.
So you take me out for lunch?
Absolutely. What am I doing?
Okay, if you say so.
Cheers. Oh, you're so cute.
Yes, Halaji. This is 2:30 p.m. It's not even taking my calls. Is everything fine? Good day, excuse me. Sorry, is your guy around?
No, he's out.
Okay. That lady that was there, did he step out with the lady?
I think so. My then anything you problem?
No. Okay, no problem. I'll come.
Baby, where are you? Baby, where are you? I can see your shadow. Where are you? Your presence is here, baby. Baby, where are you? Where are you? Come back to me. Years of tears. Where are you? My heart's frozen, baby. The past came knocking with a truth to reveal. My love's return, my heart revival in your eyes. My heart finds home with you. I'm never alone, baby. Memories of you.
Oh, well, I was quite busy at the office. I had a lot on my table.
I see. What happened to your phone? Because it wasn't going through, and then you did not even bother to call me.
Actually, my phone was on. It's been on. And I guess network was so poor. I couldn't even make a contact.
So what did you have for lunch?
I had some snacks and a bottle of soft drink. Yes.
I'm not happy with you. Just so you know.
Come, let's go home, baby. Where are you, baby? Come, let's go home, baby. Where are you, baby? Free yourself, make sense to me, baby.
What a date! What a date! What a date! Chike. Chike is a true definition of cuteness. I never knew he is this cute and hot.
I can see someone is enjoying this afternoon.
Yes, of
You're
course.
so happy.
I am happy. Happiness is a choice, so don't you want me to be? My friend.
Maureen, what were you doing at Chike's office this afternoon?
Wow. What an interesting question. I mean, I walked in on you there. You were there before me, so reverse should be the case here. What were you doing there in his office?
Maureen, I know your plan. You don't want your friend Jennifer to have peace in her home. You don't want her happiness. You don't want her to have peace in her home.
I see. You really don't have anything to say. If you are here to lecture me on what to do and what not to do, you know, I suggest you pick yourself and your bag and get out of here.
Oh, really? Did you just spill that? No, did I hear you well? Oh. Wonder shall never cease. Here you are, advising Jennifer to kill her husband and become a widow and a prostitute. And then you are developing hot pants for the same man. You're nothing but a devil. You are a devil. That is what you are.
Okay. Get out. Get out. Get out of my house.
I will leave your house, but you will not stop me from saying the truth. I know exactly what you're trying to do. But let me remind you, I, Amanda, I will not be alive and watch you ruin our friend's marriage and life.
Get the hell out of my house now.
Look at you. You better repent, else you don't know what is coming for you. I promise you, bet me, you will see it happen.
Why are you telling me all this?
I need you to be careful. I know you like Amanda so much. You see her as a friend, but girl, wake up. See the bigger picture. Amanda is presenting herself to be a good friend, whereas she's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
You want to know that that's not true. Amanda is our very good friend. I mean, she's always been a good girl all those years.
You calling me a liar? Girl, Amanda got eyes on your husband.
Stop now, Maureen. What exactly did Amanda do to you? No, seriously. Because Amanda is not even my husband's spec. My husband that I know will not even blink at Amanda's nakedness. It's not possible. Amanda, my husband. Please, another news.
Really?
Yes,
You know
really.
what? Relax. Stand up. I need to take you somewhere.
Take me to where exactly?
Come on, let's go. Just so you see for yourself.
Wait, please, I need to make lunch and...
Come with me. I need to take you somewhere. Okay? Relax and come with me. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, Maureen. Yes, I'm right in the hotel building. I'm upstairs. What's the room number again? Maureen, you're very sure. You're very sure about this. I don't want. Okay, I've heard you. So it's true. Eh? No, so it is true. You have the guts. No, I'm talking, you're even looking at me. So it's true. No, so it is true. It is true. It is true. It is true. I will cry.
Let me explain. Babe.
Come back. Oh my God. Come back. So it is true. It's true. I regret my actions. I don't even know why I was wasting time all this while. I would have just killed and wasted chicken the extra time I had the opportunity to.
Did I not tell you? Did I not tell you? But the good thing is, that opportunity is not yet gone. This is the right time to kill him and end everything once and for all.
I don't know why I listened to my mother. I don't know, what was I thinking?
But I told you.
Yes. Go on.
Drop the gun, please. Please. I beg of you. We can talk this over, okay? Maureen?
Shut the fuck up and pull the fucking trigger!
If you do, remember, I'm your husband. We both have a baby, okay? If you kill me, our daughter will be fatherless.
I am going to do the exact thing that I should have done a long time ago.
What is it? What is it? Are you okay?
Baby.
What?
Oh my God.
Talk to me.
It was a dream. I told you, you looked so real. I caught you cheating on me with Amanda and I shot you.
You shot me?
I shot you, babe.
In your dream?
Yes.
Oh, come off it. It's just a dream after all.
Okay? Baby, it was very real.
It's okay. It's okay. Just take it easy, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. It's just a dream.
Is she okay?
I'm fine. See, I'm good. I'm perfectly okay. Alright? It's just a nightmare, alright? You'll be fine.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm okay.
Please sit down.
I want to discuss something really, really important to me.
Okay, so
there is something that I would really want to talk with you.
it's okay. I'm all ears. You can go ahead.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
So the thing is, I might actually sound stupid, but I have been drowning. I have this burning desire to have you. And the more I try to withhold, the more I try to push back, the more it creeps in. The more I try to withhold, the more I go deeper and deeper and deeper. Chike, I am in love with you. I am really in love with you.
Stop it. Lauren, are you aware you're talking to your friend's husband?
Love is blind, they say. Are you planning to spill? If you don't spill, there is no way she's gonna hear. Trust me, I am one hell of a secretive girl you can never have. Chike.
I thought you said please.
Mama, please. Mama, I am begging you in the name of God. I beg you with everything that you hold sacred. I don't want my husband dead anymore. I don't want him dead anymore. I don't want to kill him anymore, Mama. Please.
You mean you don't want your husband to be dead again?
I don't want to kill him again. I've changed my mind. I don't want to kill him again, Mama. Please, help me. Pico.
Eh?
Yes.
Yay. What if the poison has no remedy?
Mama, it will have remedy. Stop saying this thing now. Mama, you were the one that went to collect this poison. You can be able to still go back to that place and collect the poison again. Because Mama, this is not a smiling matter. I don't want to lose my husband.
Calm down, my daughter, calm down. Well, nothing will happen to your husband.
What are you saying, Mama? It's just remaining today's own. If I put the remaining poison for this evening, it's finished.
Obu?
Obu, no. And he will die. And he will die.
Don't worry, calm down. Stop crying. Eh? Okay? Nothing will happen to your husband. Your husband is safe.
Mama, my husband is not safe.
In fact, let me just shock you. There's nothing like poison in your husband's body. Yes.
I don't understand. What are you saying, Mama?
There's nothing like poison in his body. Yes, he's safe.
Mama, what are you saying? Eh? Were you not the one that told me that this thing is slow poison? That I should be putting it, that he will be dying slowly? The stuff you gave me that was in the container now, I've been putting it the way you told me to be putting it. Which one is that there's no... Mama,
my daughter, that thing I gave you.
What are you saying, Mama? You gave me stuff and you said the name is slow poison. That's not what you told me. I've been putting it the way you said I should put it.
This idea of my daughter wanting to kill her husband is something I cannot understand. I know my daughter very well. She likes to confide in me in everything she does. Each time I kick against her wish, she always goes outside for an assistance. This time, I will play along, but in a very harmless way. This is salt, but I will make her believe it's poison. I will take some time, go out and come back.
Mama, wait, you mean there was no poison in the...
At all.
There's no poison?
Yes.
I've not been poisoning him. My husband is okay.
He is very fine, he's sound. You see?
Ah!
This is why I told you to change your lifestyle and be submissive to your husband.
I will change.
You see it?
I will change. I will become a better person. I will be a very good wife.
You will change.
I swear I will change. Mama, please, I'm sorry. I don't even know why I was even listening to them in the first place. I don't know what came over me.
So you now love your husband?
I love him so much, so much. I love him so much, so much. Please. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, stop crying. Oh? Just go home. Take care of your husband. Love him so much. That man is a very good man. He can never harm you. Oh? Oh, yeah, go home, start going. Take care of him and take care of my granddaughter too. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
Stop crying now. Oh?
You see, there's no poison.
Your husband is safe.
Okay.
And I'm a child.
Check.
Baby, where are you? Where are you? Baby, where are you? Where are you? Baby, I can see.
Each time I have this dream, especially by that odd time, it always comes to manifestation. I know what I'm telling you. I'm really bothered. I'm concerned.
This is revelation. Yeah, and I am happy you are gradually coming in terms with reality. I'm happy this is coming from you. Sincerely. See, I usually see Amanda and your husband in some odd places.
You what?
Will I be lying to you?
And you never told me all this.
Because I don't know how to say it. I don't want to cause issues in your marriage. But I was just looking for a proper time to, put things together and come up with something big and show you.
Wait. Are you by any chance trying to tell me that Amanda is sleeping with my husband?
Am I still dreaming? Of course I'm not. Amanda is giving it to him every day. And now this is a good time for you to take your husband out of the way completely. You don't need to relent. Take him out of the way now. Jennifer, I don't know if you're hearing what I'm saying.
Yes.
Say something then.
Listen, if I ever find out that Amanda is sleeping with my husband, oh God, I will pull out her kidney and her liver out from her body. The ribs, I will share it in different places.
Jennifer, I am telling you that your husband is sleeping with Amanda. How else do you want to find out?
No, babe, she dares not. I know what I'm telling you. Her soul will be on the parliament of the India. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Your husband's soul, not Amanda.
I said Amanda's soul, of course.
No, your husband first.
No, it can't be.
They will take Amanda down. Both of us. But you have to strike. Your husband should go down first.
Oh, the gods of Hindu all the way from India should strike her dead wherever she is right now. Because if I catch her myself, she won't survive it.
Baby, I wanted to tell you that tomorrow is my birthday. So... Oh, your wife? Okay, alright, no problem. Tomorrow then. Good night. Alright. I know he won't tell the wife who called. But at least the wife would know that he is taking secret calls. The wife will start thinking that he is having an affair. And of course that is the idea. That way I will try to convince the wife that Amanda has been behind the secret calls that the husband has been taking all along, not knowing that I am in charge. And when she when she focuses on Amanda, I will have Chike all to myself. Take full control of him. Jennifer, I told you to kill your husband, but you think you can play a smart one on me. The game has just begun. Let's see who wins.
What kind of human advised her friend to kill her husband?
The same human that advised her friend to kill her husband is now interested in the same man. Is that not witchcraft?
Are you for real? He must be a handsome man then.
Of course. Yeah, Chike is a handsome man. He's very caring. He's every woman's dream. The only problem Chike has is he's not a billionaire. But he's trying. He's trying.
Interesting. Please, I would like to meet this guy. In case the wife does not value what she has, then I'll take over.
Sorry. Did I hear you well? What did you say?
I said I would take over, so I will stop her from killing the husband. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes? Oh?
Am I right?
Yes. You're right. You're right.
Okay. So please, can I have his number if you don't mind?
Lucy, we're talking about my friend's husband here. What are you doing with his number? No, I can't give it to you. I don't want you to have him.
We'll see about that, Brenda. I'll give you a call when I'm back.
I don't understand. I told you today is my birthday and you couldn't even do anything. No single gifts, nothing.
Oh,
what?
No.
I get it. Your wife. Chike, why are you like this? Why are you so afraid of your wife? Why? Yes, because it's clear. Why? You married this woman into your home. Why are you scared of her? Maureen, what? What do you want to say? Now tell me, what do you want to say? You see, I get it. You are so afraid of your wife, and I wonder why. You married her into your house with your money, so why the hell are you afraid of her? Why? Listen, Chike. I need you to give me this opportunity. Come close to me, draw nearer, and watch me transform you into something else. Like I'm going to give you a lifestyle that you've never experienced. Chike, I am well grounded. I am well connected, home and abroad. Name it. You know what? I am going to transfer the sum of 7 million naira to you, just to prove to you that I am not bluffing. Is to give me your account, and I will wire you the transfer. Oh, come here. And relax. Relax, okay?
Oh, Amanda. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, sit down.
Oh, I don't understand. Did you just ask her to sit down? I don't get it. Chike, what is going on? You have a secretary. Your secretary is supposed to inform you that someone is here to see you.
Okay.
Knowing fully well that you are here on a business meeting with some other person.
Oh, well, that's my secretary's fault. I will caution her. Okay? Amanda, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
We're in the middle of something. Chike, we're talking about transaction here.
Amanda.
And if I may ask, Miss Maureen, what exactly are you doing in your friend's husband's office?
And you want me to validate that question by answering you? You. I don't understand. Chike, do the needful, please. Ask this girl to leave this place.
Amanda,
Yes, sir.
Please wait at my secretary's office, okay?
I will wait. What's going on? What is she doing there? Is she not done? Please, you need to calm down. What's with us? Your boss will soon be done. Meaning something, they are doing something. Hi. Jennifer, nah.
Yeah. Okay, for real. Like the jacket is so comfy.
Thanks for taking the burden off my shoulder.
Yeah.
Amanda, Maureen and I are stepping out. I'll be back soon, okay?
Come on, tell her the truth. You're Christian, right? Christians don't lie. Amanda, we're going out. We're going on a date. Let's go. Come on, let's go. It's nothing. It's nothing. Let's go, please.
I'll be right back.
Christians don't lie. Come on, you shouldn't be naughty. Woo!
Asapaki follow mugu. Iwansi onye nini yali ega manye kichenji yo. Mama. Asapaki follow mugu. Iwansi onye nini yali ega manye kichenji.
I mean, this is the second time I've done this. I mean, why don't like him? I have to find out what exactly is going on in that office.
There are wolves everywhere.
Hey, my best friend, Jennifer. How are you? Jennifer, see, I have a surprise for you. Yes, a big one. I need you to go to your husband's office. There is a very big surprise waiting for you there. Please, make it snappy. And I need you to go now. Right now, yeah. Good. Okay, my friend. Bye. Yeah.
Amanda, it's not what you think, okay?
Mr. Chike, why don't you come out straight and tell me you're having an affair with her? Listen, Maureen is not who you think she is. She's a chameleon. She changes color.
Are those two really fighting over my boss? They better not try it.
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, good afternoon. Is he in?
Yes, my boy is with you.
Never mind. Ma, and then what? No, what else? And then she's what else? She is what else? So, this is the reason why you've not been coming back home for lunch. Because of my friend. You have not been coming back for lunch. Don't you Jennifer? Are you mad? Are you sick? Jennifer. Is something wrong with you in your head? Eh? lunch because of my friend. Because of this, my useless friend. We are now going to... I'm talking of you. We are now going to...
Will you stop this, man?
What is that?
Will you come on, you're supposed to calm down. Calm down.
Don't you tell me to calm down. Don't do that.
Come over you.
Jennifer, please.
Oh, Jennifer, you want to explain without receipt? No, I'm just saying. No, you want to explain without evidence? No. If I open my eyes and you are here with... And you are still here, I will...
Jennifer, calm down.
So because of my friend, you refuse to come back to the house. You will meet me at home. You will meet me.
Is everything okay?
Why did you ask? Get back to work, please.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. He listens to others. Why can't he listen to me? Why?
Is it because I'm just his common secretary? What is this? I think I have to quit this job so I can profess my love to him. That's exactly
Gone, searching for a friendly face, searching for a pure sweet mind, searching for a friendly face. You can go there, desperate ladies, share your troubles with a heart on fire. Go there, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love, with a heart on fire. Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. This love is not yours. Why are you forcing me to? This love is not yours. But desperation is written all over you. Desperate lady, fighting for what does not belong to you.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Well, good morning.
I'm sorry for the disturbance. I've been standing here for a while. I can't find any taxi. Can I join you, please, if you don't mind?
Where are you headed?
Eagle Square, sir.
Okay. I'm headed towards that direction too, so you can join me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
They linger with all their might, their eyes gone.
He is handsome. Who knows if he will cooperate if I start up a conversation with him?
Searching for a friendly chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love.
What else will I say now?
Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay.
So how was your night?
Oh, my night was splendid. Thank you very much. Yeah, so Messi. Have you sent the email I asked you to send to our last client?
Yes, sir.
You did that?
Yeah.
Okay, so have they replied yet?
I've not checked, sir.
Oh, really? Okay, please, I want you to check, okay? I need to know if they have replied that.
Okay, sir.
All right. What's the problem? Are you okay?
Sir,
Yes.
I have news for you. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to upset you. Oh, I've been nursing these feelings for you and I don't know how to say it. I didn't mean to upset you. But I truly love you so much.
It's okay. It's a natural thing to love, alright? And thank you for letting me really love me. Thank you so much about that, okay? You have to return to your seat right now and continue what you're doing, okay?
Sir?
Yeah, you heard me right, I said. And continue from where you stopped. Go back to your job, okay? Now. Thank you.
He just said love is a natural thing. Eh? Was he not supposed to tell me he loves me too? I love you too. That's how it's supposed to be. Eh? This man is just looking down on me because I'm his secretary. But I'm going to resign this work.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, please, he's very busy. You cannot see him.
Pardon? I don't understand. I said you cannot see him. He's very busy. Until they go to your house.
Hey. What's this supposed to mean? I don't get it. That I can't see your boss.
What is difficult for you to understand? I said my boss is very busy. They go to your house.
My friend, come out of let me pass.
I said you cannot see him.
Are you okay? Hey. Oh my goodness.
What is happening here?
This is really the height of it. Can you imagine this low life looking fool?
Did you stop her from seeing me?
She was trying to force herself into your office and I stopped her.
You stopped her? And how did you stop her? By being rude to her?
By pushing me.
For real?
By pushing me.
Apologize to her now. Apologize to her!
I will rather resign than apologize to you. Okay? You're a lady like me. And you see that thing you're looking for. I'm also interested in it. I'd rather resign this job because of it.
What is going on? What is going on? Chike, what is going on? You know what? You're resigning. Yes, you're quitting this job. You are sacked. That is the word. Calculate your remaining salary for the next 6 months and I'll pay you off. You are leaving now.
I love him too, okay? I know your mission in this office and I love him too. You think I'll remain his secretary for the rest of my life? Oh no, you lie. I am done with this rubbish job and I'll be back to claim what is rightfully mine. Okay? Rubbish.
What is going on? I was thinking it's just Amanda that I'm supposed to be facing. What is this thing? What is this thing? Chike, what is this thing? What is going on? Huh?
And the person is no other than this fool, this Alekasek 7-up, this chameleon, sitting down here wearing pink. Forget she's wearing pink. Her heart is very dark. You are a devil. I know you're the one giving Jennifer all the information she has been getting, right?
Maureen?
Don't tell me you're about to buy this rubbish that she just spilled right now. No, don't tell me you're listening to this frustrated fool that couldn't even find herself a boyfriend, not to talk of getting herself a man to marry. This frustrated, demented idiot. Are you going to believe this fool? Amanda, what is your problem? I want to get it. What is your problem with me? Because the fact is, I have taken over. I am in charge. Chike is mine, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about this.
Oh.
I know what is eating you up. But go and nurse yourself somewhere else. You don't need to bring your frustration into this office. This is an office, for crying out loud.